Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change iOS 26 message background on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the messaging app. Locate and click on the message whose background you want to change. Then click on the profile name. On the profile name page, locate and click on backgrounds. Then here you have different background you can use. You can choose from the default background, and this is what you're going to see. You can swipe for different style. Now you can also set your photo as background on the chart, and then select your photo. This is what you're going to see. You can come down to suggestions, select any of these suggestions and set it as the message background on your iPhone. And then once you're done, click on the check mark at the top right. Hit the back button, and then you should see your message like this. So that's exactly how to change messages background on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.